Hey, it's Holly. Welcome back to another Christmas tour. Today we have Becca here from Single Wide for Six sharing her stunning home tour today. This is her third time here sharing a home tour on our channel, and I know you all absolutely love her, so I am so thrilled to have her back. So I will link those tours in the description box down below, as well as her Instagram account, and let's tour Becca's Christmas home tour this year together.
Hello everybody, I'm Becca from Single Wide for Six, and I'm going to be taking you on a Christmas home tour of our single wide mobile home. And I just, first of all, would like to say thank you to Holly for having me back again. And I guess we'll get started. I'm going to give you a quick overview of everything. These are the rooms that we're going to be doing. It's just the kitchen, living and dining rooms, and it is going to be a budget-friendly Christmas tour. I don't think I spent very much this year, a few dollars here and there, but not much of anything. I wanted to keep it very, very simple this year. Here is my entryway, and for that I just I have an old suitcase that I just opened up and put some Christmas things in there and some greenery from the yard. We have lots of evergreen trees on our property, so that saves us a lot of money around Christmas time, so I don't have to buy all that. So that is my entryway, and we'll start in the living room. This, we just got done, my husband just got done redoing this, my living room walls. He did a very budget-friendly board and batten wall. And we used some paint that we actually used on our kitchen cabinets, and just did white on the bottom. He added this peg rail and a shelf. And so this year I was able to have sort of a mock, oh my goodness, a mantle, excuse me, to hang up our stockings. So I am so thrilled to have this done, and it just really brightens it up so much in this living room. So there's that. I have a garland here that I purchased from Walmart a couple years ago. It was a really inexpensive garland, and I've just been using it for the last couple of years. And I added some oranges to that and some fairy lights And I have some bells over here that aren't really Christmas bells, but I got them at Target over the spring. And I thought, hey, why not? I'll just add those in there. So that's what I did. And above here, I have some of those brown paper lunch bag snowflakes that I made. And then I have a couple of prints, some beautiful prints that I got from Etsy that were very inexpensive. I think this one was $3. It was a digital download. It was $3, and I think it costs about $3 to print it out as well. And I got that from Ginger & Co. Print Shop on Etsy. And I might take the glass out of there because sometimes it's the glare in that is really makes it look less like a painting. So I might take the glass out of that, I'm not sure. And then I have another print there. I actually posted this on Instagram and I was getting a lot of questions about it, but it's just another digital download that I got from Etsy. And I want to say it's walls interior, something like that. I don't remember, but I did post it and shared the company name on my Instagram. So if you are interested in that cutie, just go over there and check it out. Okay, so let's go over here. I have my ladder shelf here. I just filled that with bottle brush trees and a couple more of the brown paper bag snowflakes. And then over here is our Christmas tree. And this Christmas tree was actually a 7-foot tree from Target that we got a few years back. And I really wanted to do things really simple this year. So I wanted a smaller tree. So we went ahead and we took the bottom off of it and made it a shorter tree. It's about 5 feet, I would say. And so that's that. I don't mind a small tree. I actually love small trees, but we have oranges, some dried oranges, some popcorn, and candy canes and lights. So it's really, really simple, really budget-friendly tree. I do have a lot of ornaments that I might put on later just because the kids really are into that sort of thing. So, but for now, I love looking at this beautiful little tree. And I added some sticks, just kind of randomly sticking out, just because it looks natural. And then we have some more greenery on the table that's from outside. And as always, we have the creaky floors. Everybody always likes to listen to the creaky floors. Take you into the dining room. And I put my letterboard back there for the season. And I didn't really do very much in here. I don't like to put a lot of my stuff away. I just like to be able to add. So I just added a few Christmas goodies in there. In the hanging basket back there, I have nuts and peppermints and oranges and candy canes and everything that you would expect from a budget-friendly vintage Christmas, country Christmas. Here's our centerpiece, and it's just in an old crate. I have a candle and this cake. I'm gonna try to get a good close up here. I actually found this cake at the thrift store for $2. It's a fake, like made out of foam, and I had to pick it up because it makes me look like I worked myself to the bone baking a cake. And so that's that. And on my ladder up there, I've got more greenery from the yard. And then we'll take you over here to the coffee bar. And I just have some little Santa mugs, espresso mugs that I actually bought those, bought those last year. I think it was last year. And those just came from Hobby Lobby and they were about $2 each. Mixed with some ironstone and some candles. It's still pretty simple. And I don't know if I've talked about this before, but that is a tea cart where I have my little coffee area, and we have a blow mold, snowman blow mold that we actually got a few years ago now. There was a lady who was getting rid of a ton of old Christmas stuff, and so we got that for free. She gave that to us. And over here, I had my husband take an old window that I had and hang it in our dining room window, just because I felt like it added more to this area. And so I went in the middle of that and made a little Christmas scene. And it's probably one of my favorite things of all my Christmas decor this year. It's just very simple. I used a chalk marker, and then sprayed around the sides with the canned snow stuff. And it makes me happy. I will probably have my husband put some lights around the window just to light it up a little bit. But this looks so much better at night. It looks good during the day, but so much better at night. Let's go over to the kitchen. And I don't really have too much greenery from outside in here because I do have my plants. I kept my plants out, and so I just keep those in here. And it really doesn't seem like I did too much in here either. I just kept everything really, really simple. This is our egg basket that we usually have hanging here because our chickens usually lay a ton of eggs, but it's cold and so they haven't been laying as much. So I just put pine cones and candles and some greenery in that, and that's where we've been putting our little tiny supply of eggs. This is my kitchen window with a shelf that goes above it. I just added some red in there, some Santa mugs that my mom bought me a couple years ago. Those are from Kohl's, I think. She likes to shop at Kohl's. Also, I changed up there above the window. I had a sign and I changed that and just put some ironstone plates up there. A funny story is that I've already filmed this whole entire video and had to redo it because I filmed it the wrong way. And my husband was like, "Why are you filming it that way? Why did you do this?" And so I'm redoing it. It was daylight the last time I did this. But anyway, we do what we can. And my old jars with some oranges and sugar, some spices, my red cookbook's out. My kids yelling in the background. I put out this little hot pad on the back of the stove that my daughter made me when she was about 5. Okay, so here is my hutch, my desk hutch. She's all done up for Christmas. She still looks pretty simple, but I just added candy canes and a couple other things. Couple fake trees from a couple years ago. And I've gotten a lot of comments that say that I have too much stuff, but I disagree. it just makes me feel comfortable. I like having a lot of things to look at. That's what I like, so can't please everybody. If there's anything that you have questions about, you can comment down below, or you can message me on Instagram. I will definitely answer you. And I hope that you will go over there and give me a follow. And I just want to say thank you again to Holly for having me back on. It is such a blessing, Holly, and I really appreciate you. And I hope that everybody has a great night, and I hope that everybody has a wonderful Christmas. And I'll see you guys later.
Let me know in the comment section down below your favorite part of Becca's home today. And if you enjoyed today's video, I know you guys will love this playlist right here filled with Christmas home tours. So I'll see you in that playlist, you guys, and have a very Merry Christmas.